Hi, it's Tico Venturi with the Venturi team and Keller Williams Realty. Just going to do a monthly market update. And, I always do this and I have a lot of charts and graphs and information. And if this kind of stuff just overwhelms you, just give us a call. Just give us a shout. We can talk to you about your home, your neighborhood, because what I'm showing you here are the big trends and the big picture thing, which is important. It's good to know what's going on in our market and kind of where things are trending. However, if you really need to know what's going on in your specific neighborhood and the value of your specific home, just give us a shout, 933-6881. So let's go down here. Excuse me, I'm going to look down as I go through these numbers. So this first chart we're looking at here, this is the number of properties that have sold. This is month over month for two years back, and this is all of Albuquerque metro area. So it includes Rio Rancho, Corrales, East Mountains, really everything in our MLS. So it's kind of a big picture. And what you'll see is number of homes sold is kind of holding steady, and without going through the math here, what I looked at is the first half of this year versus first half last year, we're about at the same number of homes sold. It hasn't really changed that much. Of course, we are up over 2012 and 2011, so we're kind of holding steady there. The other chart I wanted to show you was the median sale price, and this one does show the units as well as the median is charted. So, we're kind of in this 160 to 170. It looks like we're kind of in this 169 is where we're at. I think that was the number I saw. Yeah, right here, 169. And so, over the 2-year trend, that's down 2%. And so, median prices have not changed that much. And again, if you look at the quarterly, which I was looking at earlier, I don't have the chart here, it's actually about 2% up over the past 3 years. That's the median prices. So we're getting some appreciation, but not huge appreciation. And again, median isn't exactly appreciation. That's just, maybe more homes that were more expensive sold versus more homes that were less expensive. So that's always a possibility. Let's also look at this one. I thought was kind of interesting because it may show that people may be getting ahead of the market a little bit when they're pricing their homes. What this chart shows you is over the past 2 years, there was a 9% increase in list priced on homes, and actually, in this case, down 1% in sale prices. So, yes, the market has recovered. It's steady. However, it's not appreciation at a crazy rate. Really, it seems to be kind of in this maybe 2% range, and we ended up at like 1.5% last year. So, you just gotta don't get ahead of yourself, because if you do overprice your home, many times it ends up staying on the market longer than you want it to, and you end up price reducing, and many times you end up price reducing more than if you would have just had it at the right price right up front. So just something to think about, and again, we can talk to you about that. I'm running out of time here, but I did want to show you one other chart that I think is an important one to see, and that is the inventory on foreclosures. If we look at this chart, excuse me, I'm going to have to bring it up here. What this chart shows is the number, the lower line there are the number of bank-owned properties, or foreclosures, if you will, or REOs. There's a lot of different terms we call them. It all means the same thing. Basically, it means the bank took it back, they're putting it back out on the market, and most bank-owned properties do end up going through our MLS, by the way. So these percentages are the number of bank-owned homes that have come on the market as a percentage of total inventory coming on the market per month. And you'll see here we have 13% for this month. That is the lowest in a long time. And so it's a good trend that the foreclosure homes and those distressed homes and really distressed homeowners that had to deal with that awful situation. But those properties are coming through, they're working through our market, and that will also help our market in the end. So kind of a long market update this month, but again, if you need help for your specific home, give us a shout. 505-933-6881, or just reach out to us here on the website, just on the Contact Us button. Have a good day. Bye-bye.